Welcome to this video, guys, and today you clicked on this video because your Creative Cloud isn't working. Well, I just solved this problem, okay, because I really wanted to get in Photoshop, but it took me a whole while to figure this out. I had to contact so many support agents, and finally, one of them told me how to do it. And it's an annoying process, and I'm just here to cut that time down completely. Don't have to talk to anyone. But I suggest you check out my other videos, okay, for the support. But, no. So, your Creative Cloud isn't working. You type in, let's just go into that situation. Alright, so, you type in Creative Cloud download, right? So, you went here. You went to Adobe. And you really wanted Photoshop or one of their products, so you have to install. See, this isn't my name. Don't worry about that. But you have to install Creative Cloud, and you have to go through here to here. And basically, when you click download, it redirects you to a little thing, and it automatically starts the download setup down here, which basically gives you a Creative Cloud file setup. You click on it. Or it'll just automatically do it here, but if it failed or something, you can re-click on it in your files and it will restart it. It'll get to like 20.2% or somewhere around there, and then it'll just stop. It'll just stop, and it won't work. It will say error. It'll say this right here. This right here won't work. And I clicked on these. It tells you to reinstall it. The Microsoft Visual C++ tells you to reinstall it. I've clicked. You can see I clicked these. It does not work. Okay, because these they don't work. I've already tried that. Even though it's not missing, even though it says it's missing, it's really not. It's because they need to be repaired. Okay, and what you need to do. Okay, we don't need to be in that. You need to go to Search. Control panel. Once you're in Control panel, you want to go to Programs and Features. Once you're in Programs and Features, scroll down to the Microsoft Visual C++. These are important. You don't have to mess with these three, but you see these that have the icons, and mine's might be a little different because I attempted to install it so many times. Those sites said, oh, this works. Well, it doesn't. What you simply do, which I'm not going to finish it because I don't want to mess my stuff up. You don't uninstall it. You got to change, and you got to repair. You do this for each one. You go repair, 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 repair. If it pops up this doesn't mean anything. Okay, it's thinking you're doing something that you're not. But just put repair on every one of those. Trust me. It seems a little sketchy, but you repair them. Don't change them in any other way. Don't uninstall them. Repair them. And once you've done that, you go and you restart your computer. You boot it back up. You tell your support agent that it worked. Okay, which I'm your support agent now. All right. Then you go do the download. Okay, the Adobe Creative. Okay, I said Adobe, but that's the same thing, right? You do the download, you get the point, you go download it, okay, it'll pop up a screen, it installs really quick when the program actually works, and then it pops up this. It actually pops up this, and you pick what you want to install. And I like Photoshop. Photoshop, it takes some time to install, but once you get this Creative Cloud, you're done, you got Photoshop. So, main part is getting to the Control panel. Okay, see, mine's already going to be recent, but say if it's on, you go to Programs and Features. It will be, and this is for Windows 10, by the way, which is what most of you will be at. And then scroll down until you see these. These look like they're out of date. Well, they're not. Okay, and repair them all. Repair these. I hope you learned something. I hope this really helped you out. This was frustrating for me. I'm glad I could help cut that time in half. And I'll see you in the next one.